So this is one of the more tedious things.
A little bit. It's, yeah, kind of the more detailed. Like it takes a while to make or like see progress.
Yeah.
Big old boy. That'll work.
It's a great activity.
I was like, oh, I gotta work on it.
John's working on.
Oh,
If you have questions, please do ask them. And I'm talking to the kids, but also anybody.
Chaney, are you good to go?
Yep.
Okay, cool. All right, rolling camera. So roll.
There we go. That's great. Good. Cut.
Okay.
I love that. That was really, really great, guys.
Jordan's tending the one, but you want to wait for him before we move, or?
Dad, what is it?
It's buffering.
Good. Cut.
Cool. Freezes, and everyone in my family looks at me and is like, "What's going on? How do we?" You know, and I'm just like, just like.
Oh yeah. All right, we're back in. You guys are watching the movie. All right, and we're going. And yeah. You're almost winning. You're almost winning. And freeze and action.
I'm lagging. Nothing's moving.
A little weird here. So like this kind of plays.